All right, y'all. I had a moment. This took me forever to get everything together. This is hi. It's me, Camila Rose, back for another video. We are going to get some things done today. Mercury retrograde came for me. All the retrogrades came for me. The eclipse came for me. It all was just a mess. But we're here now. So guess what we're going to do? We are going to do our closeout for our second May paycheck. We've got some, no, we're not. That's a lie. We are doing our June 1st. Can y'all believe it's already June? We're going to do our June 1st paycheck. We've got some money to put away. Then we're going to do our sinking funds. Then we'll do our May 2nd paycheck closeout. And we'll do some updates and all kinds of fun stuff coming this month. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And I will see you all in just a minute. Alright, you know how all this goes. I have, of course, made, and that's the mic, I have, of course, made some changes to my budget, so we're going to get to see how that plays out. And let us get going. So we have, paycheck date is 05-20, no, 30? 28, yeah, it's 28. 2021. And the paycheck amount is going to be $1,614. So we have, as usual, our envelopes start us out. But let me pull out my handy dandy notes so I can make sure I have everything correct because I changed things. So we have rent at $960. Envelopes get $300. Adobe is still on here as $35. Electricity still gets $100. Banfield, that's the pet insurance, it gets $60. Sinking funds, so as you'll see, my sinking funds used to be $117. I finally bit the bullet and just made it so that all of my sinking funds could come out of one paycheck, so I wouldn't have to go back and do more this time and do more that time and split it all up. I hated it. It was confusing. I really didn't like it. So now they all come out of one paycheck, and that total is $130 for sinking funds. Then we have giving gets $9, and travelers, so that's got moved from the second paycheck now to the first paycheck, and that is $20. And let's add it up. Let me see if I have my phone. I do. Let's add it up and see where we are. Okay. There we go. Okay. Ooh, got that ring light in the background. Okay, so we have 300 plus 960 plus 35 plus 100 plus 60 plus 130 plus $9 plus 20. It's 1,614. So we are zeroed out, and that's going to be our budget for our first paycheck. It's not like a huge difference, but it's a little bit of one. It'll make the most significant difference when I look at my next paycheck, because I had to move school loans being paid out of this paycheck to the next paycheck, because if I wanted to keep electricity at 100, and I wanted to add my sinking funds, all of it. So if I switched out those, and I was like, okay, well, maybe I can take out school loans, because school loans was 40, that always put me down $10. So I was like, well, maybe I could budget 90 for electricity, because I rarely go over $90 for electricity, but like on the off chance that I do, which is like maybe once a year, usually during the summer or the winter, I don't want to be over then. So you know what I'm saying? So I was like, I really want to keep electricity at 100. So what I ended up doing was lowering how much I'm putting in giving, and then moving travelers over so that this could even out. So that is all done for our first paycheck for June. And then I should do my envelopes. I think I'll just fill them in here, but I won't actually like fill them in yet. Not quite yet, because I'm a little early. But the envelopes we have, these are electronic. We have food, gas, beauty, home, entertainment, clothes, travel. Okay, and so that gets 50, 30, 15, 35. Entertainment gets 20, clothes gets 25, travel gets from this paycheck. So I'll go in a little bit and fill that in because y'all have been spending money like crazy. I'm trying to tell y'all. Y'all see when y'all get to the savings update what that one looks like. But we do have a couple of envelopes that need to get filled in. So we have the $9 from giving. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for giving. So we'll just go ahead because giving is empty. Yay! That means we've given all that money out. So I like to see that. So there's the 9 for that taken care of. And then we have from overtime some of the envelopes that I have. So we have 25 for hair, 25 for school loans, and 25 for taxes. Because like I said, I'm just gonna put money aside in case I need it to have to pay on my taxes. And I have those envelopes, I believe, yes, right here. So here's taxes, here's school loans, taxes. I have 300 that I'm trying to save for taxes, so, and I don't actually think I'm tracking this anywhere, so I should probably start doing that. So we'll add the 5, and then we have the 20, so let's count that real quick. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. 83. So that's not bad. I mean, going through the whole like year, not bad. Okay. And then we have school loans. Because, you know, school loans are deferred, but I'm still putting some money aside to pay towards those. And then I'm paying, I have one school loan that still has to get paid, but like I said, that's in my next budget now. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 155, 160, 161, 162, 163, 25. I should have put that 25 in there before I started counting, huh, y'all? Okay. And the 5. I hate having 50s, but it is good when to lower down some of all the money that you have. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 110, 100, no, 120, 130. 140, 150, 160, 170, 175, 180, 185, 86, 87, 88. $188. So that's not bad. Pay off some of those interest that accrues that they don't talk to you about. And then we have last one, hair. And that is, I have to find it. Hair. There we go. Alright, so in hair, and this is so I can get my hair trimmed and cut. Oh, we have another 50 here. Alright, and we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170, 175. So yay! I always like for all my bills to face the same way. So that's it, everybody. That is it for this first one. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you've had to make any significant changes to your budget as everything has kind of started to, I mean, like I said, I feel like in Texas everything's always been open, but It seems a little bit now like now we're getting actually back out there, fully vaccinated and all that fun stuff. So things are changing and my budget has to change with it. So let me know if you've made any significant changes. We are hitting that 6-month mark, so I'll be doing a 6-month check-in in July after I finish all the bills and things for June, so that way it's an actual like 6-month review. But that's gonna be it. I will see you all on, this video should go up on Saturday, so I'll see you all on Wednesday for my sinking funds. Have a great one. I'll see you later. Bye bye.